Welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlene. If you're new here, I do a variety of different videos on my channel. I do cooking videos, Weight Watchers videos, which I have to get back onto Weight Watchers, DIYs, Poshmark, video hauls, stuff like that. But the purpose of today's video is I'm going to show you how I made a mask, a shield rather, and that's what I'm going to be wearing when I go out in public because I cannot find any regular masks anywhere. So before we get started, the only thing, you're going to need 4 things to do this. A piece of, this is like stencil plastic. So it's actually, I think it's Mylar. Now, I don't know if that's what this one is. This I found in my craft drawer. I don't even know where it came from. But I did go to Amazon and order Mylar 6mm sheets, 12 by 12. 15 came in a bundle. And I did order them from Amazon. I'll put the link down below so you can go and order your Mylar if you want to make some of these masks. These are even going to be great if you have somebody in the medical, you know, a nurse, a doctor. Well, I don't know about a doctor, but a nurse, a home health aide, and they can't get holds of masks. This is just a temporary thing. It's just to try to protect yourself. So again, you're going to need some kind of plastic Mylar. You're going to need scissors. You're going to need a hole punch, and you're going to need some ribbon. So what I did was, these sheets are just like a regular sheet of paper. Let me see. Yeah, so these are like 8.5 by 11. The ones I just ordered from Amazon are actually 12 by 12. So now what I did was I just took the piece of Mylar and put it, what is this called? Landscape. And I just trimmed around the 2 bottom edges to make it rounded. So I don't know if you can see with this lighting because it's so thin, and you can see through it perfectly. It's clear and it's transparent. So you're going to cut and you're going to make 2 rounded edges because in case it's like hitting your neck or something, you don't want the points to be jabbing you. So that's why I did that. Now the next thing I did was I took a hole punch and I just went, well, this was the first one I made and I did it like a little bit closer to the edge. But you'll see on my second one, I just put the hole punch in and put it till it stopped. And I put it like this way down. So maybe about 2 inches down, and I punched a hole and I did it on the other side. Then I just took ribbon and I put some ribbon through. And I tied a knot. I tied a big knot on this side. I actually doubled the knot and did that on both sides. So here is the final product. So as you can see, it's just a mask. And these are, because it's plastic, these are rewashable. So you could spray them when you get home with Lysol spray. You could wash it under the sink with soap and water and then dry them, so they are reusable. So now, so that's how it looks. And then when I put it on, and now you got to remember, this is over my glasses. Wait, let me get my glasses in there. And there you go. So now, and I usually wear a hat because look at my hair, like it's so gray. I don't go out like this. And then, so if anybody is near me and I'm walking through the store, guess what? If they sneeze, if they cough, it's not getting in my eyes. I wear glasses anyhow, but it's not getting in my nose. It's not getting near my mouth. And to be honest with you, I don't care what I look like. I am not getting this disease and dying. So, for just a makeshift, that was my glasses that fogged up. This doesn't actually. I guess because I was talking while I put it on. But yeah, just for a makeshift, just to protect yourself while you're out there. I don't care what I look like, what people say. They could be looking at me, and I'll be like, yeah, well, if somebody sneezes and you have no mask, no nothing, at least I'm protected. So really, I don't care what I look like. I saw, and I'll insert the pictures, a couple, like an elderly couple, walking around with maxi pads on their face. So you know what? If they don't care about maxi pads on their face, I'm not going to care about this. I'm serious. So, yeah, I said to my husband, I go, because I had this one made. Where's my white ribbon? Oh, I took it apart to show you. But I'm going to put this through here. I told my husband, I said, oh, I made one for you, Greg. He goes, no, that's okay. I'm like, why? Like, I want you to be protected too. Oh my God. He's like, no, I'm not walking around with that. But see? Yeah, see, this one it's tied too tight. But this one, I can actually untie it. I could take the ribbon off and wash the ribbon if I wanted to. But yeah, that's my mask. This is my project and I'm sticking to it. But yeah, I'm going to put in the description box below from Amazon where I'm ordering the Mylar. And I think it was the 6mm. And I think 12 or 15 sheets was $10.99. And if you have Prime, it was free shipping. And they're guaranteed the shipping either by Wednesday or Thursday. So I sent out a picture of myself, which I'll put the picture. I'll pop in the picture in a minute. And sent it to all my nieces. I have 3 nieces that 2 are nurses and 1 works in a nursing home. And also for a colonoscopy place, but they're shut down right now. And my one niece, she's like, oh my God, you got to see what the doctors are using, like makeshift mix. They actually have plastic food container. Like, you know, like if you were to buy fried chicken at Stop and Shop and the plastic cover that comes off, that's what they're using as shields. And I'm like, you got to be kidding me. So my niece was like, no, make me some of them. She goes, that's a good idea, Aunt Arlene. And I was like, all right. So I can't wait to get this Mylar from Amazon. Like I said, link will be in the description box below. Just click on the link and order. Because I don't know if anybody else is trying to make them like I am. It just came to me. I was looking for something and I saw this plastic and it bent and I was like, oh wow, this will make a nice mask. And then I just punched holes and put ribbon. So simple, so easy. Yeah, so that's my gig. That's what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully when I get my my Mylar from Amazon, is just making a bunch of these and whoever wants them, just to be protected out there. So, yeah, so I'm going to paint my other hand. I started today and then I didn't finish. And I was painting downstairs the trim because I'm in my Poshmark room right now. I don't know. Let me move the camera so you could see. Yeah, so this is my Poshmark room. And I have stuff over here. So that's all my clothes nice and folded that I sell. This stuff over here is actually, this is all a death pile. But it's all stuff that's given to me. Like my nieces, my nephew gave me a bunch of stuff. You know, I have friends. I don't know if I'm even showing this. So everything's all washed and nice and folded. And when I get to it, then I start listing it. So yeah, so that's why I was doing this video today. But anyhow, let me set the camera back up. So yeah, thanks for joining in. Thanks for watching this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know it was real quick and like, But I got a lot to do, and just get yourself some plastic, cut the corners rounded, punch some holes, and put some ribbon. Because you know what? Walking around like this is better than walking around like this. All right? Please, everybody, be safe. I love yous all. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscription button. Please hit the notification bell so you know when I have another video coming up. And, yeah, go get the plastic. The link is down below. Thanks, everybody. Please be safe. Please keep your families home, your children, your mothers, your uncles, your grandparents. Everybody stay home. Only designate one person to go out at a time and protect yourself. All right? Thanks, everybody. Be safe. Love yous all. Bye-bye.